National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a flash flood warning for the Sobralis Burn area in west central Monterey County in central California until 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:33 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated that heavy rain was falling over the area. Rain gauges above Big Sur, Partington, and the Palo, Colorado areas indicate locally heavy rainfall exceeding 0.75 inches per hour and in some cases reaching 1.50 inches per hour. The latter far exceeds threshold criteria for debris flows on the Sobralis burn scar. This is a life-threatening situation. Anyone living or traveling on roads in the Sobralis fire burn area or along secondary roads and fire breaks should be alert for probable road problems due to erosion, debris flows, rockfalls, and debris. This is a dangerous situation. If you observe movement of soils, debris, or large amounts of water, you should move to higher ground immediately. Residents need to be alert for the potential of mud and debris flows. A debris flow of only a few inches deep can be powerful enough to move a vehicle off the road. If you are in or near the warned area, you should seek a safe location immediately. Your life may depend on how quickly you react. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.